Welcome! Today we'll solve and verify the integral of secant x. Let's start by looking at the integral we want to solve. The first form of our solution is that the integral of secant x equals the natural logarithm of the absolute value of secant x plus tangent x plus c. We can also write this in an equivalent form using sine and cosine. The integral equals the natural logarithm of the absolute value of 1 plus sine x, all divided by cosine x plus c. Let's verify that these two forms are equivalent. We'll start by looking at the expression secant x plus tangent x. First, let's recall the definitions of secant and tangent. Secant x equals 1 over cosine x, and tangent x equals sine x over cosine x. Now, let's substitute these definitions into our expression. We get 1 over cosine x plus sine x over cosine x. These fractions have the same denominator, so we can add their numerators. This gives us 1 plus sine x all over cosine x. Therefore, when we take the natural logarithm of the absolute value of both sides, we can see that our two forms of the solution are equivalent. Let's visualize what this means on a graph. Here we have the function secant x in blue and our antiderivative in green. Notice how the antiderivative grows more slowly than the original function, which is what we expect from a logarithmic function. Also notice the vertical asymptotes at x equals plus or minus pi over 2, where cosine x equals 0. And that completes our verification of the integral of secant x. Thank you for watching.